Welcome back. I'm Megan Fee at the WKRN.com Alert Desk, checking back in on Hurricane Helene with updates from local officials and new video of the downpours. Check out this video from Sarasota. You can see that rain just pouring down, winds picking up outside someone's backyard. Residents there being told to evacuate, and in at least 28 other counties across the state right now, including nearby Manatee County. Their officials with utility companies announced overnight that the water will be shut off to 4 island cities by 6 o'clock this morning. So that includes Anna Maria Island and Bradenton Beach. Officials say those strong winds and storm surge could threaten the integrity of the infrastructure. Water will be turned back on as soon as it is safe to do so. For more updates on Helene and breaking news around the clock, just head to WKRN.com.